Back couple of years, there was a heavy rain, air settlement, footpath damages, water leak, flood damage to the leak. But then I was there, removing, refixing the stone, road that was rectified, stopping the leak, repainting and flooring. Now it was rain again, and then I also been doing the other electrical call now, call Inaya.